In today's project, we're going to tart this container up. So previously I've tarted up the driveway. This looks nicer. I've been working on this bank for a couple of years. I've got a load of plants just over there that need to go in. I've just added these as well, just because the dirt was falling onto my nice drive. I've painted this black. This red container will be moved. It's just temporary at the moment. The green one will stay. The wall will come down. I'll lift that up and lift it over there somewhere. You see, at the moment, this red one, it's like in your face. It just makes the place not look very nice. I don't mind the green one. The green one's fine. The red one, nah. I definitely need to tidy this up again. It's got gardening stuff, painting stuff. You know, it's got one of my motorbikes in here. This is my spray equipment just over here. I've got HVLP Pro. The one we want is the Erbauer. And this is the paint we're going for. This is black, like barn paint, industrial paint. I think it's like water-based acrylic. I've had this Erbauer a few years now. I think I paid 140 or 120 quid for it, something stupid like that, really cheap. I did spray this black paint, so I know to go through it. Tips, I'm gonna use a 517. That's what I used last time. The bigger the number, the bigger the fan pattern. This time I put it on an extension. I believe it's probably not going to be that good because you're supposed to have some kind of thing to stop it spitting or dripping. And in the end, I'm going to put a tap washer just so we don't get any spillage. Just going to cover up my camera. Now we are looking a bit grubby. It is not totally clean. Ha! But that there is the overspray from doing them. So it should stick. But I'm not going to worry about the rust and stuff. Fuck it. I'll give it a quick broom just because. Should I really bother? Nah. 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 I've got about 10 litres left. The only problem with this machine, it's quite low. So you can't put the pickup tube straight into this because it's high. That's 20 litres. I'll have to empty it into this one, which is only a 10 litre tub. Now, I'm not 100% sure how to even use this. I think it's quite straightforward on that one. I'm feeling like I should have watered it down, but let's just go with it. You ready? I just watered it. Nah. Shit. I think the tip's blocked. We are leaking like a bitch. I got runs like a motherfucker. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, for God's sake. Almost there, we've done that side, we've done the back side as well. I'm going to leave the top, don't worry about that. This wall I done in old masonry paint, but I'm not really liking the top there, so I'm just going to finish off. Might as well use the painter. This could do a touch up, hey. Shall I do it? Luke just come out and she went, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm painting this." She was like, "No, I don't like black." She said, "No, this should be white, this should be white, and the oak should be white." She said, "Paint it all white because white's welcoming." I was like, no, no. You see, these doors, they're just temporary. All of this is temporary. All of this blocking, they'll have nice doors on one day or something, I don't know. But yeah, 20 quid these cost me, and look, they're fucked. I'm just gonna fucking do it. I'll just see what happens. I've wiped them down. I am gonna tape up the glass quickly, and I'm gonna change tips as well. I'm gonna go for a 213. I have no idea how this is gonna work out. Obviously an Airless comes out quick, so I need to be quick. Slight problem, everything's in there, and this is all wet. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm not even gonna tape up the glass. So, I can always use a window scraper afterwards, yeah? You make me right? Don't do that, don't try this at home, kids. Let's give this a shot. I bottled it. I found some packing tape, some cardboard and some gaffer tape, so that will do. It will save me a job. We all know that if I would have got paint over everything, I probably just would have left it. So we're still going with 517 tip though. Let's just fucking go for it. Ready? Right, we'll do a light dusting first, kind of. I should have probably taped up the handle, shouldn't I? I know I said I'd do a light dusting, but I mean, I wasn't really telling the truth. I just didn't really know what I was doing. Look, what's this? What is that? Okay, so next day, and everything's dried. And what have we learned? Black looks better. I don't particularly like the sheen on it. I'm sure it's matte, but it's not really. I wish that I would have taken the time to do a little bit of prep work. You see the rust where I just said I'm not going to bother. If I would have just got a flat disc and just done that, it would have taken me 10 minutes. I would have been a lot happier with it. But I understand it's just temporary, so I don't know. I think it will dull down with a little bit of weathering. But yeah, I think matte would have been better. Maybe it just stands out more because this wall is so matte. If you're looking at using an Airless sprayer for an outdoor project exactly like this, it's brilliant because it lays down loads of paint and is really bloody quick. I've also learned that this looks good from your ass. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.